Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dollar symbol in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert dollar symbol. Click inside the text box. Then go to the Insert menu and select the symbol drop down menu. Then go to the More symbols. Now we can see here many symbols. We want to insert the dollar symbol. We can see here many symbols. We find the dollar symbol. Here the dollar symbol, then we click insert, then close the window. Now we can see we insert dollar symbol this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.